Good afternoon, and welcome to the Software Engineering Institute's webinar series. My name is Shane McGraw, and I'd like to thank you all for attending today's webinar. Our webinar series presentation today is a panel discussion of the Master of Science in Information Technology Software Engineering Management Program led by Dr. Phil Miller. Our panelists will be Duane Phillips, Christian Redman, Gary Simmons, and Carmela Rice, all current students of the program.
Thank you, Shane. I think the real takeaway from the bio slide on me there is I'm old and I've been around forever. And let's get right down to it. Master of Science in Information Technology, Software Engineering Management. The URL that I hope that you're now all seeing is where you can go for the online detailed information about the program. Let's go to the next one. So what is it? It's a world-class degree program preparing tomorrow's software engineering managers. And what we really mean by that is it's a world-class degree program preparing tomorrow's software engineering managers. And in particular, I want to say even more than managers. I want to say sort of decision makers, the people, the go-to people in organizations when it's time for an organization to look at adopting new technologies, adopting new processes, procedures, and so forth and so on. It's a program for people who are or are planning to be key to their organization's futures. It was designed in particular to make it possible for a working professional to continue working, continue living at home, and still want to get that world-class education. Managers of acquisition, call it acquisition here in the SEI, other places it might be logistics or outsourcing, integrating, developing software. And we had a special eye on supporting the needs of the U.S. military service branches when we created this program. It's unique in that it provides technical, business, and management training, and those come from the Heinz College, which is really a college of both IT and management, the School of Computer Science, and the Software Engineering Institute itself. We incorporate the SEI professional courses. The idea there is to take that stuff that professionals immediately put into practice and put it alongside the academic courses that you get in the two academic colleges. It does take 3 years. It's part-time study. It's distance format. You will be coming to Carnegie Mellon. You will be coming to Pittsburgh a minimum of 4 times over that 3-year period. Once for orientation and kickoff course, once at the very end to present results of the capstone practicum project, and a couple points in between. Those visits are short, a week or less, but you'll be coming here for those particular things. I'd like to say a few words about the practicum. It's not unusual for a master's program or lots of programs to have put it into practice part to their program, and this has one also. We think this one is special, and here's why. It's a little bit different. Usually in those practical applications of what you've learned in class, you do put your hands on the steering wheel and you build something, or you have projects and so forth and so on. In this case, we do not think that the absolute most important thing is that project be a success. Now, that sounds shocking. What we do think is important, we think is paramount, is your ability to draw upon the information that you've gained throughout the lifetime of the program and use it in making the decisions that drive your project. It is more important to us that you make the decisions, that you're guided in how to take advantage of the information you've gotten and apply those decisions, than it is that this come out to be a good, that popped up. 1 second, please. That the project itself be successful in the classical sense. So I want to say a couple of things about this. This really started way back when Carnegie Mellon started the first Master of Software Engineering program. That was kind of interesting in that the Software Engineering Institute, where I'm currently appointed, created that Master of Software Engineering, and it was delivered by the School of Computer Science, which is where I was professor for a number of years before that.